Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and launching the update. First, make a quick backup to iCloud or to your computer so you can recover settings. Once done, confirm you have enough free space and a charge above 50% or plug in the charger. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network because updates are large. Then open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update to check for available downloads. This starts the update process and tells you the file size. You'll now handle the download and any storage constraints. Tap Download and install and accept the terms. The phone will fetch the update over Wi-Fi. If the phone reports insufficient space, remove unused apps, offload photos to iCloud, or connect to a computer and use iTunes to update without extra free space. Monitor the progress bar. Don't interrupt the download by toggling Wi-Fi or unplugging power. Once the download finishes, the device will prepare the update and automatically prompt you to install. Be ready. You'll finish by installing and verifying the new system. Tap Install and let the phone reboot. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress indicator. This can take several minutes. When the phone restarts, unlock it and follow any on-screen prompts to finish setup. To confirm success, open Settings, go to General, then about to check the installed iOS version. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and retry. If errors persist, connect to a computer. Update or restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.